both knees to the back, but he took a pretty big fall himself with a few 100 pounds, maybe 300 pounds on top of him. But the big man is back up. J-Rod in with a big kick to the chest. Opens him up, a second kick to the chest.
Just talk about how important it is to breathe in a wrestling match.
Clothesline takes him down. Nice punch. Oh, that was brutal.
Caught him with that back elbow, and now the big man is reeling. Back kick by J-Rod off the ropes. Caught him again with a boot.
Didn't get all of it with that knee that he came up or with the side of the boot, but he did catch that full neck breaker right there, and the big man's having trouble getting to his feet. Falls back into the corner, and J-Rod is positioned, and here he comes. Little slow, and that big man able to get the leg up and cut J-Rod off, and now he comes in, drops an elbow, nobody home.
Kind of like David and Goliath, it's time for David to slay this giant, and J-Rod is ready. He caught him in midair, puts the leg, covers him too, and the champion, J-Rod, will remain the RPW TV champion.
And there's that big knee to the face. I think I've heard you call it a Superman knee before, and it certainly rocked that man's world.